Did somebody say you could take a set-in sleeve pattern and make a raglan sleeve jacket? I did, off of the Master Top Pattern. This is a free class and I hope you will join me. It's on YouTube. It's on Tuesday, February the 17th at 2 p.m. Pacific time. So make sure that you join me. It's all free and I will show you how to either make a jacket. We're gonna glue the zipper in. Isn't that fun? Or you can make a top. See, I've even done fun stuff to the raglan sleeve. So join me. Let's make a new garment, make a jacket. How do you like my cute pocket? I'll even show you how to make that. So please come Tuesday, February 17th, and let's play and make a raglan sleeve garment. You won't believe how simple this is to do. Fit, comfort is all yours.